Hi, and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips. Today in this video, I'm just doing a quick comparison of the image and video quality on the original DJI Osmo Pocket over here versus the new and improved DJI Pocket 2. Now I say new and improved, but if you're like me, I wasn't too blown away when I saw the specs announced for this new Pocket 2, so this video hopefully is helpful to those out there trying to decide whether or not they should upgrade to this new device, or if the original Osmo Pocket is going to be enough to hold you through for the time being. So that being said, all the footage you're going to see is unedited and untouched in any way. I tried to line up the shots as similar as possible where I could, and I even tested out the wireless mic that you get with the Creator Combo Kit of the new Pocket 2. So without further ado, let's roll the footage. Now, besides the marginal increase in image quality from the DJI Osmo Pocket to the new Pocket 2, the two other features which DJI has included in their new Pocket 2 to entice you into upgrading is this wireless mic I have right here and the slightly wider field of view. Now, both of these features are really geared towards people who want to be using this device for vlogging, so if that's not for you, well, skip ahead. But if that is, check out the difference in audio quality right now from the original Osmo Pocket, which is this right here with me talking a little bit, back to the wireless mic. And if that isn't enough to convince you to upgrade, well, I don't know what is. However, something that has been a bit of a disappointment with the new Pocket 2 that DJI has said they upgraded was the active track feature. Now, for this whole vlogging segment, I have been using the FaceTrack feature right here to keep it, centered as I move around. And as you've probably noticed, the Pocket 2 has wandered a lot more, right on cue there, than the original Osmo Pocket. For the time being, I am attributing this to the fact that the Pocket 2 is so new and it's probably just some software glitches and kinks that need to be worked out. But if you check down in the description or comments, and I haven't posted an update in like 3 months saying it's good, well, you might want to think again before upgrading to the Pocket 2. But anyways, that wraps up my vlogging segment for this video. Let's get back to that sample footage. Thank you guys so much for watching this little video here. If you did like it, please consider subscribing, click the like button, leave your comments down below. You know what to do. Check me out on Instagram. I post cool stuff there. And as always, peace out. Have a nice day. Bye.